How to turn on Open to Work on LinkedIn so recruiters and your network know you're looking for opportunities. First, open LinkedIn and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Right below your profile photo, tap the button that says Open to. Then select Finding Volunteer Opportunities. Now fill in the details. Add job titles you're interested in, add your skills, select the type of work you want, like on-site, remote, or hybrid. Next, you can choose the location, in which area you want to work. Once you're happy with your choices, click Save. And you're done. If you land a job and want to turn it off, just come back to the same Open To button, select Finding a New Job, and remove it from your profile. And that's it. Turning on Open to Work on LinkedIn takes less than a minute and puts you in front of the right people right away.